JD Edwards EnterpriseOne now includes a feature that lets you create your own schedule patterns. Use this feature to define how frequently preventive maintenance should occur and limit maintenance to specific seasons or months if needed. With this enhancement, you'll no longer be limited to predefined patterns. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a schedule pattern using the Work with Schedule Patterns form and link it to a PM schedule for equipment. Sign into the EnterpriseOne web client and access the Work with Schedule Pattern form. Select Add to open the Schedule Pattern Revisions form. Let's create a new schedule pattern to schedule maintenance every 2 days from June to December. In the pattern identifier field, enter 2D_JUN_DEC. In the pattern description field, enter occurs every 2 days from June to December. Select days as the schedule type, then enter 2 as the frequency. This defines how frequently maintenance occurs. Set up the seasonal restriction. You can only define seasonal restrictions for daily, weekly, and monthly schedule types. The pattern status is set to active by default. Save the pattern. To review your patterns, access the Work with Schedule Pattern form. Search for your pattern by the pattern identifier. Use the status filter to view active, inactive, or all patterns. Now let's create a pattern to schedule maintenance every 6 years. Select Add to open the Schedule Pattern Revisions form. In the pattern identifier field, enter 6Y. For the pattern description field, enter occurs every 6 years. Set the schedule type to yearly. Notice that the start month and the end month fields for seasonal restrictions are not available with yearly schedule type. The pattern status is set to active by default. Save the pattern. Now let's link the newly created schedule pattern to a PM schedule. Access the PM schedule program from the FastPath. Enter the equipment number, select Add. Next, enter the service type and enter the details for the maintenance. Set the frequency indicator to L. When you select L, the pattern identifier field becomes available. Select your pattern identifier from the list. Complete the PM schedule and save your changes. You can find the record created here. To generate the next PM schedule, access Work with Batch versions from the FastPath and enter R12807 Update PM Schedule status. Select the version you want to run. Then set the data selection and submit your selection. Filter by asset number and enter your equipment number. Set up the processing options and run the program. After submission, click the job status. A green icon indicates the program processed successfully. Return to the PM schedule and search using the equipment number. You'll see a new record with the next scheduled date set according to your pattern. This completes the setup and linking process. To learn more, visit us online at learnjde.com. Thanks for watching.